Ladies and gentlemen, referee Don Turnage has called a stop to this contest at 4 minutes, 17 seconds of round number 2. Declaring the winner by TKO and new undisputed UFC strawweight champion of the world, Joanna Jedrzejczyk!
Third European champion in UFC history. Arlovsky, Rutten, and now Joanna Jedrzejczyk will visit with Joe.
I am with the winner and new champion, Joanna Jedrzejczyk. How does this feel to be the new women's strawweight champion of the world?
Hello everyone. I want to say hello to my brothers, my cousins. They came from Poland. Thank you so much. I cannot believe I was working so hard. I said that I'm gonna do it and I did it. And when I'm on diet, when I'm preparing every day, I'm 100%. That's why I'm here.
You put on a striking clinic tonight, and let's take a look at some of your work. I mean, you just landed beautiful, pinpoint, accurate strikes. You stuffed most of the takedowns. She was only able to take you down once. Was there anything surprising about the fight?
I was training so hard for her. Like I said, no one believed in my grappling, wrestling. I said, I am in UFC, the best federation in the world, and I am complete MMA fighter, and nobody gonna take this belt from me.
Well, you just set a very high standard for the women's strawweight division. Congratulations, you're the new champion, and it was an honor to watch you perform tonight.
Thank you so much, thank you.
The new women's strawweight champion of the world, ladies and gentlemen, Joanna Jedrzejczyk.